Hello, friends. Let's talk about something we all value as we age: staying independent. Whether it's gardening, playing with grandkids, or simply walking to the mailbox without worry, our legs carry us through life's best moments. But let's be honest, sometimes those legs don't feel as sturdy as they used to. Maybe you've noticed cramps creeping in at night, stiffness in the mornings, or that unsettling wobble when you stand up too fast. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into 5 essential vitamins that can help you strengthen your legs, boost your confidence, and keep you moving with ease. No complicated routines or miracle cures, just simple, science-backed steps you can start today. Ready? Let's begin. Let's start with vitamin D. You've probably heard it's good for bones, but let me tell you why it's critical for your legs. Vitamin D is like the conductor of an orchestra. It ensures calcium gets absorbed properly, keeping your bones dense and muscles strong. Without it, even the healthiest diet can fall short. But here's the catch. As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at making vitamin D from sunlight. Add to that spending more time indoors or using sunscreen, and suddenly, deficiency becomes a real risk. Low vitamin D doesn't just weaken bones, it directly impacts muscle strength. A study in the Journal of the American Geriatric Society found that seniors with low vitamin D were 30% more likely to experience falls. My neighbor Martha learned this the hard way. After a blood test revealed her levels were critically low, her doctor recommended a daily D3 supplement. Within weeks, she noticed she could climb stairs without white-knuckling the railing. "It's like my legs remembered how to work," she told me. How to get it? Sunlight. Aim for 10 to 15 minutes of midday sun on your arms or face. No need to bake, just a gentle exposure. Foods. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines, fortified milk, and egg yolks. Supplements. D3, cholecalciferol, is best absorbed. Ask your doctor for a blood test to tailor your dose. Pro tips. Pair vitamin D with calcium-rich foods like yogurt or kale for a double boost. And if you're housebound, consider a UV lamp designed for vitamin D synthesis. It's a game changer for winter months. Now let's talk about a mineral that's like a soothing balm for cranky muscles. Meet magnesium, the relaxation mineral. If you've ever been jolted awake by a leg cramp, magnesium might be your missing piece. It helps muscles contract and relax smoothly, acting like a natural muscle relaxant. But here's the problem. Processed foods, stress, and medications like blood pressure pills can drain your magnesium levels. Signs. You're low. Nighttime leg cramps. Restless leg syndrome. Muscle twitches or spasms. How to fix it. Food. First, spinach, almonds, black beans, and dark chocolate. Yes, really, just a square or two. Supplements. Magnesium glycinate is gentle on the stomach. Take it before bed to ease cramps and improve sleep. Topical magic. Epsom salt baths, magnesium sulfate. Let you absorb it through your skin. My friend Ed swears by this. He soaks 3 times a week and calls it a warm hug for his calves. Story time. A viewer named Carol wrote to me after years of restless legs keeping her up. She started adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to her afternoon snack and taking a magnesium supplement. "For the first time in a decade, I slept through the night," she shared. Small changes, monumental results. Now, let's tackle a duo of vitamins that work behind the scenes to keep your nerves and blood in top shape. B12 and folate are the unsung heroes of nerve health. B12 keeps your nerves insulated, like the rubber coating on a wire, while folate teams up with it to reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. But after 60, stomach acid declines, making it harder to absorb B12 from food. Low levels can cause numbness, tingling, or that heavy legs feeling. Who's at risk? Vegetarians, vegans? B12 is mostly in animal products. Those on acid reflux meds, they reduce stomach acid. Anyone with digestive issues. Solutions. B12. Foods. Eggs, chicken, nutritional yeast, and fortified cereals. Sublingual B12. Dissolves under the tongue, bypassing the gut. perfect for those with absorption issues. Folate friends: lentils, asparagus, and leafy greens. Real life. Win. Jean, a 68-year-old viewer, blamed her leg numbness on old age until her doctor tested her B12. After a few months of supplements, she wrote, "I can feel my toes again. It's like someone turned the lights back on in my legs." Next up, a vitamin that's like a traffic cop for your bloodstream. Vitamin E keeps your blood flowing smoothly, ensuring nutrients reach those hard-working leg muscles. Poor circulation can leave legs feeling cold, achy, or swollen, especially if you sit for long periods. Best sources are nuts and seeds, almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach and broccoli, vitamin E oil for topical use. Pro tips: pair with vitamin C. Oranges or bell peppers strengthen blood vessels. Massage magic: rub vitamin E oil onto your legs after a shower. My dad does this daily and says it's like a warm hug for his calves. Caution: if you're on blood thinners, check with your doctor. It can interact with medications. Finally, let's talk about an electrolyte that keeps your muscles and nerves talking. Potassium is essential for muscle contractions and nerve signals. Low levels can trigger cramps, weakness, or even irregular heartbeats. Top sources: beyond bananas. Sweet potatoes, more potassium per bite than bananas. Coconut water. And white beans. Caution: too much potassium can harm kidneys. Always consult your doctor if you have kidney issues or take meds like ACE inhibitors. Success story: Tom, a 72-year-old viewer, swapped his morning toast for sweet potato hash. Nighttime leg cramps? Gone in a week, he said. Simple swaps, profound results. Now, I know this might feel overwhelming, but remember, you don't need to tackle all 5 vitamins today. Start with 1. Maybe get that vitamin D test or sprinkle almonds on your salad. Share your journey in the comments. I read every one. Here's the truth: aging is inevitable, but weakness doesn't have to be. With these vitamins, you're not just nourishing your body, you're investing in yourself. In the walks you'll take, the gardens you'll tend, and the memories you'll make. Hit like if this resonated with you. Subscribe and ring the bell for more actionable tips. Share your story below. Have you tried any of these? Here's to strong legs and brighter days ahead.